What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're looking at the 2018 Camaro SS. Brand new casting for 2018. Let's go ahead and open it up. Alright guys, the 2018 Camaro SS Muscle Mania, car number 8 of 10, and it is car number 50 of 365. Coincidence or not? I don't think so. 50th anniversary, and Hot Wheels and Chevy love making cars together. But there it is. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Boom. There it is. I used to not like these wheels on cars, but for some reason on this Camaro, they just suit it. They just fit. It looks fantastic. Check out the detailing on the side of it as well. The nice stripes on the top, the nice aggressive front end. There it is. Nice looking casting. This color is kind of interesting. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of these type of colors, like these kind of like burnt orange or greeny colors. I don't know. Some of them are just not fitting, but this one does suit the car very well, I do think. So a nice looking car, nice looking casting. I know there's a lot of Hot Wheels Camaro fans out there, so you're definitely gonna want to get your hands on this one. Until then, let's see what it looks like on the turntable, and then on Saturday we'll see it go down our top speed test track. Thanks a lot for watching this one, guys. If you like this video, throw this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye. What's up, Peak Timers? This is your boy Phil from Peak Time Racing. I just want to thank you all for watching this video. Now, I just want to make sure you guys are fully aware of the Peak Time Racing brand, which consists of all 3 of these channels right here. We've got Peak Time Racing, which is the channel you're on right now. We've got Peak Time Vlogs, which is my vlogging channel where you can find more stuff about my daily life, my family, and a lot more behind the scenes things, as well as Peak Time TV, which is my gaming channel, mixed in with a little bit of a storyline channel with Hot Wheels, some really cool stories and Hot Wheels stuff in there as well. I just want to make sure you guys don't miss out on a video that I post, so be sure to subscribe to all 3 of those channels. I will be doing a monthly giveaway, and all you have to do to enter is post on any one of my videos and any one of my channels that you are subscribed to all 3 of the Peak Time Racing branded channels. I'll be picking one lucky winner each month at random who will receive a prize package of Peak Time Racing branded things as well as Hot Wheels. Thanks again for watching this one. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.